Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. Now this would be continuation of our last video. In our last video we have seen what are entities and we have seen basically the closed list type of entity where we created an entity named as priority and then we used our entity in our agent as well. So in this video we'll do something different. So the example that we'll do is so generally, if you're working for any organization there, if you have any query issues, so generally an incident number gets created, right? And that incident number is always unique and it is basically in this format like INC, then you have some digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create an entity which will check what it will check. It will basically check that I should have INC at the beginning with these 3 words, and then it will allow me 4 digits. Those 4 digits can be anything, right? So those 4 digits can be anything, right? So what I mean by that is if I will put 50, something like this 4 digits, it will be a valid. But as soon as if I will enter something like Y8, this is invalid, because I don't have digits here. Here I should have 4 digits and here INC should be available. So how can I create entity for this scenario? Let's see this. Now to navigate to entity, you will need to click on settings. Once you click on settings, then you will get a UI like this. And then you can click on entities and here click on this add an entity, click on new entity. And in our last video, we have used this one. But now we will use the regular expression. I'll simply click on this regular expression. And here we need to give a name. So I will say incident number. This will check a valid incident number. Incident number. And here now I will need to tell my pattern. Okay. So let me click on this article and you can read about this article. Okay, and here everything has been mentioned what are closed list entity that we have used in our last video, and even about the regular expression as well. Okay, so now it is very easy to create that. Now the first thing is that you need to have, so we need this format, right? INC should be at the starting, right? So this is what we need. Then we need 4 digits, right? So here I will need to tell that I can accept numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, and 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. And the count of those numbers should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? So I can write here 4. Okay, you need to do only this much. Okay, you can do Google and you can create complex regular expression as well, but for now we'll simply go with a basic one because we are learning. So I'll click on save. Okay, now my changes have been saved. I can close this. Okay, now I have this regular expression type entity is available here, and this is the name, this is the description, and we already know what is available inside this. And now I will need to use this inside my agent. For that, again I will create a topic. So let me go to click on this activity and let me again go to topics. Okay, then I can click on my topic. I can start from blank. Okay, I will say a phrase like regular expression, or let me write a short one. Yeah, regular expression. Okay, now here I need to use, so the scenario that will say is, will say for example we'll say, please provide your incident number, something like this. Okay, so we'll simply ask a question to our users. I'll say, please give your incident number, which is generally in this format, INC, then you have 4x. Okay, all right. Now here you need to select your identity. Let me click here, and from here you can search for your regular expression one, or I think we created with something named as incident number. So let me search here incident number. Okay, if in case it's not available directly, you'll need to do a refresh here. So let me do one thing here. Yeah, let me click on this priority. Let me save this. Okay, I will say use regular expression. I will need to do a hard refresh in my UI, then it will be visible. For now, I have saved with this priorities so that I don't need to create the complete topic from scratch. I want to save some time. Now I'll try again. This time I will again click on this and let me search with incident. Now you see this incident number entity that is of type regular expression is available now. So I can click on my incident number here. Alright, then I can send a message at the end. I will show you what impact it will create. I'll say thanks, we will get back to you, and we have noted your incident number, CID incident number, the number that I can get from here. Click on insert variable and I will display this. Let me save this. Alright, let me start a fresh session and I will say regular expression first. Regular expression. Okay. Now you see inside our regular expression we have already given that only this type of format will be accepted. For example, I will write IN and then let me write only 4 digits. Let's see whether it picks or not. So let me say IN S 1 2 3 4, or yeah, let me put something random here and I will press enter, and you will see I will get the same question again. Okay, this time let me say INC, but I will say 1 2, I will say why just give me 1 second here. Why 1 2 3? Again we'll get the same question because we are still not entering a valid number. So first thing is that INC should be there, then all the valid numbers should be there. Now if I will type INC and let me type any 4 random numbers, it will accept it now because this is a valid regular expression. So here you go. It is saying that thanks, we'll get back to you. We have noted your incident number, that is this one. So this is the power of regular expression. Usually in your credit cards, if you enter certain digits, right, then only it get accepted, right? So we can use this regular expression in those scenarios. I hope you find this video helpful. So thanks for watching this video.